Morning ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Daily Video Diary. How's it going today? Today we are having a relatively relaxed morning this morning. We didn't get to sleep last night until, like, both me and Laura slept so bad last night. We're like, it was up every hour. Just like, just so restless. It was unreal. Like, genuinely, I've not slept that bad in a long time. There's... The first of Laura's presents has arrived, so I'm going to wrap it. While she's not here, it's probably the best time to do it, and then I can hide them better. Or it doesn't matter if she sees them because it's wrapped. But yeah, so pull that back. Yeah, me and Laura slept so badly last night, and we were just like really tired this morning. I've got up, I'm in a programming. I'm going to do programming today. I know what programming I'm going to do. I'm just like slowly warming up into it, basically, just catching up on YouTube videos and stuff. Because as soon as like I've caught up on YouTube videos, it's like right, I'm in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have like a 3 monitor programming setup with the Surface. It's going to be pretty fucking pro. But yeah, otherwise I've had breakfast and I've sorted out my daily vlog and all that kind of like admin-y kind of stuff. And I'm just going to wrap up this present and then I'm going to start programming. I'm going to start programming away. I am. But yeah, Laura sent me a news article that said like that all of the traffic that was going on like yesterday and the day before, which was horrendous. Was down to a load of people shutting roads down, major roads down, to do street parties. Fucking hippies, man. Ridiculous. So, right, I'm going to sort this out, finish watching this, and then let's jump into some work. Right, well, it's quite entertaining trying to think of a clever way of hiding a present in a flat which is only 1 room big, and there's only like 2 pieces of furniture that even close, apart from obviously kitchen stuff. But yeah, that was exciting, that. Let's put that up there. I probably can't even see that, it's probably too small. She's only little. Well, you can see it a little bit, but it doesn't matter, does it? Because it's only wrapping paper. That doesn't give away anything, it just means there's something here that's potentially been wrapped. What underneath that? Beautiful. You definitely can't see that. There we go, that's hidden as well. God, I'm good. Or it's not even going to have to deal with this. Like, when it's my birthday or Christmas or whatever, I'll have an office to hide stuff in and a car. Laura will have like 2+ rooms to hide things in, whereas I've only got this 1 room. I'm pretty good. Well, no, how many rooms do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 different rooms. Well, if you count the corridor that connects all of them, 8 different rooms to put things in. I just have 1 or 2, arguably as well. But I'd like to see you try and hide something in there. Just had lunch and I'm having a bit of a cup of tea while I watch Netflix on my. This is awesome. I really, really like this. It's really growing on me. Like, it's basically like when you want it to be. It's a really good laptop. And then when you want it to be, it's a big Nexus. Assuming that you're doing things on the web, like I'm watching Netflix now, which is obviously Google Chrome. So, I understand when people say that like this could replace a tablet, and it could. And it could replace a laptop as well in the same breath. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the Surface. It's so cool. I like it a lot. Damn it, I want to do a towel wash and someone's got their stuff in the frickin' dryer. God dickety damn doodle. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, let's do some shizzle whizzle. Hello? Hello? I've just been going through all of my like old, my code base and stuff, and like going through my old OneNote stuff, because I've been keeping track of everything I've done and all the changes I've made and the reasons like I've made them, and some things that I need to do, because like there's a lot of things that you go, oh hold on, that's an issue, and I've noticed that like a couple of times when I run it, I get an error where the operating system is blocking me from copying the file because another process is copying the file, because I've got another 9 threads that are also trying to copy it at the same time. So I've just like made a change in there so that it'll actually retry. So if the operating system blocks it, it'll have another go until it runs out of tries, basically, and then it'll go, oh, error, throws it back to the user interface and stuff. So I went through the notes and like added that little bit in, saying that I'd done it. And then I guess I'd use the first time I've actively used the surface for its like one of its main key features. Hold on, let me just put this back in here, which is actually kind of difficult. I just drew, because I'm about to do the last bit, like this is the design of my program. I just drew that on there using the pen, and it was bloody cool. I mean, like, it obviously doesn't look super smart, but that is so good to just like throw stuff down. So much better than a mouse and so much better than a piece of paper, because I can just pull this up on any computer I've got now and I'll be like, okay, yeah, so I was doing that. So the idea is, look, that I've got these two different worlds at the moment. I've got this thing here, which is just interfaced here, and you could just go take this away, essentially. Or, like, as far as this is concerned, it doesn't give a damn which one of these three it uses, in the same way this doesn't give a damn which one of these three is used. So it's like built like a modules, and it will just go, right, okay, so I need this, I need this, I need this. So in theory, it's a lot more like dynamic and ready to rock and roll, which is always good. So otherwise though, I'm thinking I'm gonna try and do a clothes wash. I'm trying to do a towel wash, but someone else has their washing in there. Did I already tell you that? I feel like I've said that out loud. And then I'm going to get back into some programming, because I believe I should have fixed that error I was getting. It's not really an error, it just throws the exception and then is like, oh lol, happy birthday. And I can confirm that, well, at least the 6, like, it happened every like other time I try and do that test. Now it doesn't run it, now it doesn't throw the same error. The only reason I spotted that error was because it appeared in here. I had no way of knowing that it was happening. It seems like a flaw, really. It's because I guess it's one file missing. In my tests, I don't go through and make sure every single bloody file's there. I probably should, to make it an accurate test, but I'm only human, man. Jesus, give us a chance. Right, well then again, it's only 4 o'clock. Bloody hell, you got ages yet. Wait, when does Laura leave work? 5? Right, okay, I'm going to start cooking earlier today. Forgot to put a timer on for the clothes wash. I'm going to start cooking earlier today because I'm going to cook chilli, and I'm going to do my chilli, and it's going to be super nice, and the longer you cook it, basically, the nicer it gets. So I'm going to start throwing that together at about, if I chop everything up at 5:15, at 5:45, I should be able to get it all in and cooked by 5:15-ish when Laura gets back. And then I'll be able to just leave it and simmer it, and it's just a case of putting the pasta on as soon as she wants it. So I'm such a good little housewife, aren't I? House husband. Not get sexist, alright? I've just been like, God, this road's pretty busy, isn't it? And then I've just scrolled down Twitter, and there's mention of an accident on the M5. And I look at Google Maps and look at it, the entire thing red. If there is any scenario where there's an accident on any of the motorways near Bristol, Bristol just gets, especially the M5, Bristol just gets absolutely mullered by traffic.